Hey there, beautiful people. I hope you all are doing great in your life. In this video, I'm going to share a DIY aloe vera and fenugreek hair mask to get thicker and longer hair fast. This DIY hair mask grows your hair really very long and thick very fast. It requires only 2 to 3 ingredients. So let's get started into the
Put
video.
your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms, baby.
So to prepare this aloe vera and fenugreek seed hair mask to grow your hair longer and thicker fast, you'll need 2 to 3 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds. You can increase or decrease the proportion of the ingredients used in this hair mask as per your requirement. So I will be soaking 3 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds in water for overnight. So I added 2 to 3 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds and some water and let it soak overnight. So after soaking the fenugreek seeds overnight into water, you will get something like this. The water has turned yellowish in color and with slimy in consistency. You can use this water on your scalp and also on your hair and also on your face. On face, it helps in preventing pimples, and if you apply it on your scalp, it helps in reducing the dandruff. And if you spray it on your hair, it gives great shine to your hair. Fenugreek seeds are rich in protein, iron, and also in mucilage, which helps in thicken your hair and which prevents hair fall. These are great hair thickeners, so you can use this as an hair mask and also as a face mask as you want. So after grinding the fenugreek seeds in a grinder, I got something like this. So the next ingredient into our hair mask is aloe vera leaf. So as it is a aloe vera and fenugreek hair mask, so we'll be adding an aloe vera leaf. I got this aloe vera leaf from my plant, so you'll need a small piece of aloe vera leaf. We'll have to scrape the aloe vera gel out of this aloe vera leaf. So I'm scraping out this aloe vera gel from the leaf using a knife. So this was approx 2 to 3 teaspoons of aloe vera gel into the fenugreek paste. You can use the store-bought aloe vera gel if you want, but it's better to use the fresh aloe vera gel, the ones which I'm using right now. You can use this one, or if you don't find this, you can also use this store-bought aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. It contributes hair growth and promotes healthy hair growing cells. It strengthens your hair follicles and it also hydrates your scalp very well. Aloe vera benefits are quite known to everybody, so you can use it in various different ways and various different hair masks to promote your hair growth. And along with the aloe vera and fenugreek hair mask, this does a great job in promoting your hair growth. If you use this once, you'll start noticing a difference in your hair fall. If you have hair loss issues, then from the first use itself you'll see the results. It will reduce your hair fall from the first use itself. Fenugreek seeds are easily available in the stores and you can easily grab it from the stores and use this in the aloe vera and fenugreek hair mask. It has a rich source of iron and protein which promotes hair growth. It has antifungal and antibacterial properties which help in curing scalp irritation or scalp infections, dandruff. It promotes hair growth and gives a natural shine to your hair. So now I'm adding 2 to 3 teaspoons of coconut oil into this aloe vera and fenugreek hair mask. You can also use olive oil instead of coconut oil if you want. Both are great options to use in this aloe vera and fenugreek hair mask. Now after adding the coconut oil, I'll mix the ingredients again very well. So it has to be this consistency to apply it on your scalp. So while grinding the fenugreek seeds into the grinder, make sure that you make a fine paste out of the fenugreek seeds, or else it would be very hard to remove from your hair while rinsing your hair. So make a smooth paste just like this one. While grinding the fenugreek seeds, make sure you're using the water in which you soak the fenugreek seeds overnight, and you do not pour lots of water while grinding the fenugreek seeds, or else the hair mask would turn way too runny and it would be really hard to apply. Now next I'm adding 1 teaspoon of castor oil into this hair mask to promote hair growth. Castor oils are great in promoting your hair growth. After adding castor oil into this aloe vera and fenugreek seed hair mask, I'm mixing all the ingredients very well. So you can use 2 to 3 capsules of vitamin E into this hair mask to enhance the properties even more, or it's also fine in this way. So right now I don't have vitamin E capsules, so I'm not adding into this hair mask. So this aloe vera and fenugreek seed hair mask is ready to apply. So now apply this hair mask from your scalp to your roots generously and let it stay for 45 minutes to 1 hour and rinse with cold water. You can use this aloe vera and fenugreek seed hair mask 2 times in a week to promote your hair growth first and rinse out with cold water. Make sure you make a fine paste of the fenugreek seed. If you find this video helpful, then please do like my video and do subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care and bye.
Everyone's lining up to see her.